Hi, this is Tom Essaye from Money and Markets TV. It's been a year since the Japanese tsunami and the meltdown at the Fukushima nuclear reactor. The country hasn't fully recovered from the disaster, but recent data shows some encouraging signs for contrarian investors. The Japanese government has taken bold steps to try to rebuild the region affected by the disaster, including a huge amount of infrastructure spending and loan guarantees. Those measures have helped GDP growth turn positive. But the Japanese economy is facing another challenge, a strong yen. Despite the tsunami and nuclear disaster, investors poured into the yen as fears of a European debt crisis spread. This presented a major problem for Japan because exports are a huge part of its economy, and a stronger yen makes those exports more expensive to buyers in China, the United States, and Europe. A higher yen coupled with cautious consumers in those countries caused a plunge in Japanese exports through the end of last year. In order to fight that trend, the Bank of Japan acted aggressively to devalue the yen. In November, the BOJ actively sold yen in the open market against a basket of currencies. Then last month, policymakers announced that they would increase their quantitative easing program by 10 trillion yen to a total of 30 trillion. So far, these measures seem to be having the desired effect. Year to date, the Japanese yen has dropped nearly 7% against the US dollar, and the falling yen has propped up Japanese stocks. The benchmark Nikkei 225 index is the second best performing major market in the world this year, jumping by more than 17%. If these trends continue and the government maintains its policy of increased stimulus and infrastructure spending, contrarian investors could benefit from an improving Japanese economy and stock market going forward. Two easy ways to invest in Japan are with the ProShares Ultra Short Yen ETF and the iShares MSCI Japanese Index Fund. Those ETFs allow you to bet on Japan's recovery from one of the worst natural disasters in its history. I'm Tom Essaye from Money and Markets TV, and thanks for watching.